Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to check the condition on Grandpa's computer here. So, I know from when the last time I was in this machine, which was several years ago, the internals are good. Even though I know that they're good, I still want to check it out because I do have to pull the hard drive in here because it has the previous owner's information. So I just want to make sure that I get the information. Basically, I want to get the drive out. So unfortunately on this machine, and I hate it, I kind of hate that HP does this, but I understand why they do that. There is a special bit right here. So if you don't have an electronics repair kit or this special bit that fits in here, you're not going to get this open. I do have my electronics repair kit right here. So what I got to do is just take this out. Got to find one that fits here, which I think it's this one. Yes, it is. So I'm going to put this off to the side for right now. I'm going to open this up and we'll see what the internals look like. Alright, so once we get this off, so there we go, slide it over so it's in frame more. So now that this is okay, just slide the case off like that, and we are going to see here what the internals look like. Okay, so the internals look really, really good still, even after all that time. So I'm going to add a couple more sticks of memory. Now the rule of thumb, I'm not sure if I stated this in another video or not, when you add memory you want it all the same brand because of the speed. So let's say to make things simple, the clock speed, let's say the clock speed on the memory you have is 2. This isn't accurate, but I'm just doing that for educational purposes here. So let's say that it's 2. The ones you put in are 1. The ones that are 2 are going to clock down to the slowest one available. So everything looks pretty good in here. The fan's a little dusty. I do have another power supply I may put in here. I don't know yet. So this is the front panel. This is this. So the condition of this machine is very, very good. I do have a couple cards I want to put in here. I want to turn this. Oh, this does have the wireless setup. I did not realize that this computer had the wireless setup. What I did with this machine when my grandparents had it, actually my grandma now, what I did was I bought a USB wireless. I didn't realize that this had the wireless one. Another score for Grandpa when he bought this machine. So I do have to pull this drive out, and it's a Seagate. I'm not a big fan of Seagate hard drives. I've never had any problem with them, but I prefer Western Digital. I feel that they're better and all that. No, I'm not trying to put anybody down or anything like that. That's just my personal preference. Okay, so to pull this out, oh boy, that's going to be a little difficult. Alright, yeah, I'll have to do that off camera. So here's what you get. This is the Blu-ray drive. This is the power supply, this is the hard drive, this is your CPU fan. And this right here, I'm not sure if you could see it or not on camera. I'll bring the camera closer. this right here is the wireless. That is the internal wireless card that this computer came with, as I stated. So that's another win. Everything's completely original. The only thing that I have replaced on this machine was the drive, the DVD drive. So, oh, there we go. Change my mind. I'll do this on camera here. Just to show you. And I'll have to find another hard drive to put in here, which is okay with me. Okay, so there we go. I'm not sure if you saw that or not, but right here is a tab, and you push it down and the whole assembly comes out. So pull everything out. This is the drive. It is a SATA hard drive, and it's 1,000 gigs. 1,000 gigs is your terabyte. Actually, it's 1,024. So we're going to pull the drive out. Just like this. Now I won't put in a new hard drive, or if I do, that'll be off camera, just so I can get stuff running. Alright, boom, drive is out. So now this person's data that's on here is going to go back to them. So now I don't need to worry about anything. So the memory looks good. I'll pull that out real quick. As you can see, the memory stick looks really good. So as you can see here, some boards have this. As you can see, the memory, whoops. There's blue and there's black slots. On this particular model of computer, the blue ones are 0 and 1, 2 and 3. These are 2 and 3. I don't know why they do it that way, but they do it that way. So all I have to do is find all my DDR3 stuff, and I'll just throw that in there, and I'll have more memory for this machine. So there you have it. So this is going to be, as I stated, the first part of Grandpa's computer. I'm going to do a bunch of videos on this machine. So there we go. So basically the important stuff is out right now. Let me put this back in. There we go. So all the important stuff right now is out. So all I had to do was get the hard drive out. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.